Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are starting lesson number 3 from section prose. Al-Hiwar. Al-Hiwar means conversation. In this lesson, the specimen conversation has been given. Okay. Firstly, conversation between the teacher and a new student in the classroom is given. Then the conversation between mother and the son at home. Thirdly, conversation between two friends, and last, conversation between two female friends. Okay. These conversations has been given to enable the students to know how to speak, how to say Arabic sentences in the classroom. Okay. Here, the conversation starts with the greetings. Talibun al-Ustadu. Talibun, student, al-Ustad, the teacher. Talibun, Talib says, student says, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace and blessings and mercy of Allah be upon you. The teacher replies, Wa alaikumus salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May peace and blessings and bounties of Allah be upon you too. Okay. Talibun. Talib student says, Ana talibun jadidun adkhulul fasla. I am a new student. May I enter the class? May I come in, sir? In this way he asks. So here the students may learn this sentence, adkhulul fasla, may I come in, sir? Okay. We say may I come in, may I get in, sir? ऐसा जो बोलते हैं ना, अदखुलुल फसला हमको याद कर लेना चाहिए. अरबिक में अगर बोलना चाह रहे हैं तो अदखुलुल फसला, may I come in, sir? The teacher replies, Tafaddal ma masmuka. Get in, come in. What is your name? Talibun. Ismi Rashidun. My name is Rashid. Teacher says, Ismuka Jamil, you have a nice name. Your name is nice. Your name is beautiful. Rashid says, the student says, whose name is Rashid, Yarji'ul fazla ila walidi li ismil jalil. The credit goes to my father for this beautiful name. For this beautiful name, the credit goes to my father. A teacher asked the student, Min aina anta ya Rashid? Where are you from, Rashid? Rashid, where are you from? To which area you belong? Where are you coming from? So the Rashid, to which country you belong? Rashid replies, Ana min al Yaman. I am from Yaman. I belongs to Yaman. I am a native of Yaman country. Next is, here the teacher says, Mata wasalta ila al-Hindi wa ila Hyderabad. When did you come to India and to Hyderabad? When did you reach India and when did you approach Hyderabad? When did you arrive Hyderabad? Rashid replies, Wasaltu ila al-Hindi qabla shahrain. I have come to India 2 months ago. Wa ila Hyderabad qabla usbu'in, and to Hyderabad 1 week before. 1 week ago I have come to Hyderabad. 2 months ago I have arrived to India. The teacher says, Fi ayyi jamiyatin takharrajta. From which university you have graduated? कौन सी यूनिवर्सिटी से आप ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट किए हैं? राशिदुन अना तखर्रजतु फी जामिअती आइनुश शम्स. I am a graduate of Ainush Shams University. University of Ainush Shams. I am graduated from the University of Ainush Shams. The teacher asks, Aina taskunu, where do you live? These are the sentences which we have to learn, and we can use these sentences in our classroom. If we want to say in Arabic, where do you live? We must say, Aina taskunu, where do you live? Where do you stay? Where do you reside? Rashid, askunu fil masjidi bihayyi Banjara. I stay in a mosque in Banjara Hills. In the city Banjara Hills, I stay in a mosque. Aina waliduka, where is your father? Huwa fil Yaman, he is in Yemen. Ma ismuhu, what is his name? What is your father's name? Ismuhu Abdullah al-Muhtaram, his name is Abdullah Sahab, Abdullah Muhtaram. Okay, the teacher then asks, Kam akhan laka, how many brothers you have? This is a specimen conversation it is given for the students if they want to speak in Arabic, if they want to ask how many brothers you have, you want to ask in Arabic, you have to use this sentence. Kam akhan laka, how many brothers you have? Khalid replies, Rashid replies, Li thalathatu ikhwatin, I have 3 brothers. Then the teacher asks, Kam ukhtan laka, how many sisters you have? Rashid replies, Li arba'u akhawat, I have 4 sisters. Li arba'u akhawat, I have 4 sisters. Okay. Then al-ustad, Aina hunnal an, where do they read? Where are they? Where are they? At present, where are they? Ab kahan hai wo log? Rashid replies, Hunnal ana fil Yaman ma abi wa ummi. They are in Yemen with my mother and father. Presently, they are in Yemen with my mother and father. Al-Ustaz, ma salama wa ila liqa. Go in peace, with peace, to the next meeting. Inshallah, see you in the next meeting. In this way, teacher take leaves. This is a conversation between the teacher and the new students in the classroom. Okay. Now, another conversation is given. This is a conversation between mother and son at home. Fil manzili bain al ummi wal ibn. At home, conversation between teacher and yes, this is a conversation between the mother and the son at home. Fil manzili bain al ummi wal ibn. Okay. How to speak in Arabic with mother. Some sentences are given which we have to learn. Al ummu, the mother. The mother says, Mada qara'tal yawma fil jamiati. What do you study in the university? What do you study in the university? What you have read in the university? Al ibn, the son replies, Qara'tul yawma darsan jadidan. I have read a new lesson. I have studied a new lesson in the university. माँ ने पूछा, आज यूनिवर्सिटी में आज आप क्या पढ़े? तो बच्चे ने जवाब दिया कि मैं यूनिवर्सिटी में एक नया सबक पढ़ा. Al-ummu, then the mother asked, Afahimtahu, did you understand it? क्या आपने उसको समझा? Al-ibn, the son replies, Fahimtuhu jayidan. Fahimtuhu jayidan jiddan. Yes, I have understood it very well. हाँ, मैं अच्छी तरीके से उसको समझा. The son replies. Then the mother says, Ama qara'tal Qur'an al-Kareem al-yawm? Didn't you read Noble Quran today? Did you recite the Quran today? क्या आज आप कुरान पढ़े? The son answers, Qara'tul Qur'ana, I have read the Quran, I have recited the Quran. Wahafiztu Surat al-Mulki, and memorized Surah al-Mulk. Surah Mulk में याद किया. وفرح بي الأستاذ وقال, the teacher became happy with me and said, إنك طالب مجتهد, you are a hardworking student, وذو خلق, and well-behaved student, وأحسن طالب في الفصل, and a good student in the classroom. Okay, you are a good student in the classroom. Ahsanu talibin, you are the best student of the class. Ana uhibbuka kasiran, I like you very much. I like you very much. मैं आपको पसंद करता हूँ due to your intelligence and your behavior. मैं आपको पसंद इसलिए करता हूँ, आप हार्ड वर्किंग हैं, स्टूडियस हैं और अच्छे अखलाक वाले हैं, इसलिए मैं आपको पसंद करता हूँ बोल के बोले उस्ताद. Now al-ummu, then the mother says, Masha Allah, as Allah wills, जैसे अल्लाह की मर्जी है, जैसे अल्लाह ने चाहा. Zadakallahu ilman ya bunayya, may Allah enhance your knowledge, my son. May Allah enhance your knowledge, my son. अल्लाह ताला आपके इल्म में ज़्यादती दे मेरे प्यारे बेटे. ज़हबतु इलल मक्तबतिल यौम, अज़हबता इलल मक्तबतिल यौम, डिड यू गो टू लाइब्रेरी टुडे, क्या आज आप लाइब्रेरी गए, माँ ने पूछा. इब्न द सन आंसर्स, नाम ज़हबतु इलैहा, yes I have visited there, I have gone there, I have gone to the library. हाँ मैं लाइब्रेरी गया. Al-ummu, the mother asked, Mada khara'ta hunaka, what did you read there in the library? What did you read there in the library? Library में आप क्या पढ़े? Al-ibn, the son replies, Qara'tu majallat at-tanweer min khismi al-lughati al-arabiyyati bil jami'ati al-Uthmaniyya. I have read a magazine namely Tanweer, published from the Department of Arabic, Usmania University. मैं एक मैगज़ीन पढ़ा जिसका नाम तनवीर है, जो अरबी शोबे अरबी से शाये होता है उस्मानिया यूनिवर्सिटी के. उस्मानिया यूनिवर्सिटी के शोबे अरबी से शाये होने वाला मैगज़ीन अत-तनवीर मैंने पढ़ा है. Al-ummu, then the mother asked, Abil lughatil arabiyyati hiya am bil lughatil urduyya, in which language it was? Is it in Arabic language or in Urdu language? Was it in Arabic language or in Urdu language? वो अरबी में था कि उर्दू में था मजल्ला यानी मैगजीन. The son replies, hiya bil lughatil arabiyya, it was in Arabic. ये अरबी में था. Al-ummu, aina addaita salata dhuhr, where did you offer Zohar prayer, afternoon prayer? Where did you offer Zohar prayer? Where did you establish Zohar prayer? जोहर की नमाज आप कहाँ अदा करें, माँ ने पूछा. जोहर की नमाज कहाँ पढ़े बोल के पूछे. ठीक है. The son replies, the son answers, Sallaytu Zohra fi Masjid Aliya Qareeb min Jamiati. I have established Zohar prayer. I prayed Zohar prayer in a masjid called Aliya. In Aliya Masjid, I have offered Zohar prayer. Qareeb min Jamiati, it is near to my university. The Masjid Aliya is near to my university. मैं जोहर की नमाज आलिया मस्जिद में पढ़ा जो मेरे यूनिवर्सिटी से करीब है. This was a short conversation between the mother and the son at home. Got it? So far we have studied the conversation between teacher and the new student in the classroom, and a conversation between mother and son at home. Now the conversation between two friends, Bilal and Majid. Bilal and Majid are two friends. How they talk each other, how they conversate, we will study in this section. Hiwarum bayna sadiqain, conversation between two friends. Bilal, sabah al khair. Bilal says, good morning, sabah al khair. Majid replies, sabah al noor, good morning. Bilal, kaif al hal ya Majid, how are you Majid? Majid replies, tamam, fine, alhamdulillah, by the praise. Praise belongs to Allah. Thanks to be Allah, I am fine. Bilal says, aina abuka, where is your father? Majid replies, Zahaba ila suqi, he has gone to the market. Zahaba ila suqi, he went to the market. Bilal says, wa aina ummuki, where is your mother? Majid replies, Zahabat ila jaddati likay tarifa ahwalaha. Likay tarifa ahwaluha. She went to my grandmother so that to know her conditions, to know her situations, to know her circumstances. She went to my grandmother's house to know her about her health, to know about her health. Okay. वो मेरे जो है ना दादी के पास गई हैं ताकि उनके अहवाल मालूम करें. Then the Bilal asked, Aina ikhwatuka, where are your brothers? Majid dhahabu ilal kulliyati, they have gone to college, they went to college. भाई कहाँ हैं? भाई कॉलेज गए हैं. Bilal, ama dhahabta ilal kulliyati al-yawm, haven't you gone to the college today? Ama dhahabta, क्या आप नहीं गए कॉलेज आज? तो माजिद बोल रहे हैं, बला, why not? Dhahabtu wa rajatu, I have gone, but I returned. Bada hissatil ula, after first period. After the completion of first period, I have returned. Then the Bilal asked the question, Lima rajata, why did you return? क्यों वापिस आ गए? पहले हिस्से के बाद, पहले घंटे के बाद वापिस आ गए बोले, तो क्यों वापिस आए पूछना. माजिद कह रहे हैं, रजातु ली अन्ननी मरीज, I returned because I felt sick. मैं इसलिए वापिस आ गया क्योंकि मैं मरीज हो गया था, बीमार हो गया था. माजिद, नाम. बिलाल, लाबास, अज़हबता इला तबीब, no problem, have you consult a doctor? Do you consult a doctor? क्या आप तबीब के पास गए, डॉक्टर के पास गए? नाम ज़हबतु इलैही, उन्होंने रिप्लाई दे रहे, हाँ मैं उनके पास गया. बिलाल कहते हैं, दुआ देते हैं, शफाक अल्लाहु शिफाअन कामिला, may Allah cure you, may Allah cure you, may Allah cure you very well, very soon. May Allah cure you, Allah आपको शिफा दे, शिफाअन कामिला, कामिल सेहत अता करे. माजिद कहते हैं, शुक्रन आमीन या रब्बल आलमीन, शुक्रिया अल्लाह ताला से, अल्लाह ताला इस दुआ को कबूल करे जो परवरदिगार है आलमीन का. बिलाल, माअस्सलामा व इलल लिक़ा, सलामती के साथ, go in peace to the next meeting. This is the conversation between these two friends. Now a short conversation is given between two female friends. Hiwarum bayna sadiqatain, conversation between two female friends. अरबी ज़ुबान में फ़ीमेल के मुअन्नस के सेगे अलग हैं और मुदक्कर के सेगे अलग है. इंग्लिश में ऐसा नहीं है, दोनों के सेगे एक जैसे होते हैं, लेकिन अरबी में कन्वर्सेशन अलग होती है, इसलिए ये अलग दी गई है. सालेहा और आबेदा, these are two friends, they are talking one another. Saleha says, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace and blessings and boons of Allah be upon you. Abeda replies, Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Peace and blessings and boons of Allah be upon you too. Saliha says, Bada zamanin tawil aina kunti. After a long time, where you were? बहुत दिनों बाद कहाँ थे आप? Abeda says, Naam kuntu mashgula. Yes, I was busy. हाँ मैं थोड़ा मसरूफ थी. Saliha, fi ayyi amalin kunti, in which work you were busy? In which work you were busy? कौन से काम में मशगूल थे? Abeda says, Ashtaghilu fi hadihi al-ayyam fil kulliyatil mahilliya. I am busy. Nowadays I am busy in a local college. In a aerial college. Area के college में मैं busy हूँ पढ़ाने में बोल के बोल रहे हैं. सालिहा, fi ayyi वजीफतिन, on which designation, किस ओहदे पर आप हैं? आबेदा कहते हैं फी वजीफती तदरीस, आई एम ऑन टीचिंग प्रोफेशन. सालिहा, मुंदु मता कब से? आबेदा मुंदु सनतिन, since 1 year. Since when कब से आप जो है ना इस प्रोफेशन पे फायज हैं? मुंदु सनतिन, since 1 year. Saliha, Mabruk, congratulations. Abida says, Barakallahu fiki aizan, may Allah also bless you. May Allah also bless you in it. This was a short conversation between two female friends. Got the lesson? Now come to the questions. From this lesson, 4 types of questions will be asked. One is to write the summary of the lesson, so you have to produce the dialogue between these friends. Okay. Then second is reference. He will give you the line of the sentence and ask you to give the lesson name of the given sentence. Then question answers, then one answers. These 4 types of questions will be asked in your exam. Now I will ask you the questions. Lima raja'ata minal kulliyati, why did you return from the college? Raja'tu minal kulliyati li annani mariz, I returned from the college because I fell sick. Aina taskunu, where do you live? Askunu fil masjid, I live in a masjid. Ma ismu abika, what is your father name? Ismu abi Abdullah al-Muhtaram, my father name is Abdullah, Mr. Abdullah. Mada qara'tal yawma fil jamia, what did you study in the university? What did you study in the university? Qara'tul yawma fil jamiati darsan jadidan, I have read a new lesson in the university. I studied a new lesson in the university. Ama qara'tal Qur'ana, haven't you read the Quran? Naam qara'tul Quran, yes, I have read the Quran. Now come to one word answers. Kam ukhtan laka, how many brothers you have? Arba'u, 4. Kam akhan laka, Kam ukhtan laka, how many sisters you have? Arba'un, 4. Kam akhan laka, how many brothers you have? Thalathatun, 3. Kaifa sihatuka, how is your health? Tamam, alhamdulillah, fine. Thanks be to Allah. Aina tashghulin, where are you busy? Fil kulliya, in the college. Fi ayyi wadifatin anti, on which profession are you? Fi wadifati tadris, on the teaching profession, or on which designation you are appointed on teaching designation. I have appointed. This was your one word answers. If you have any question, please ask.